How can you increase milk supply for breastfeeding?
So, how's it going with your baby?
Fine, but I'm kinda low on milk.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Have you talked to your doctor about it?
Hey, stay calm. I will give you the secret. Here is my recipe. The magic is Fenugreek seeds. Just 5 grams, 1 teaspoon of them. Find 1 cup of milk. Add the seeds into milk. First boil and heat for 10 minutes. Then drink it. Drink on empty stomach. Once a day. Hey, stop. Don't forget to check with your doctor before having this. For example, ask Shavani Patel, MD, an obstetrician and gynecologist. She says if you're allergic to peanuts or chickpeas, or if you take blood thinners or medication for diabetes, talk with your doc. Now you can drink it and enjoy your baby's breast milk party. You know, I was a doctor once, but no one will believe you've talked to me.
What if you meet Avicenna in the hospital? What if